Hello student, this is NCERT Maths, class 10th, exercise 3.5, question number 2. The question is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solution? So, for first part, for infinite number of solution, first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, and second equation is a minus bx plus a plus by equals to 3a plus b minus 2 equals to, no, that is equation 2. So, for infinite solution, we know that a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. So, here a1 upon a2, that is 2 by a minus b, b1 upon b2, that is 3 divided by a plus b, and c1 upon c2, that is minus 7 divided by minus 3a plus b minus 2. Now solve first and second, these two. So 2 divided by a minus b equals to 3 divided by a plus b. So here we get a equals to 5b. By cross multiplying we can solve it. So we get a equals to 5b. Consider it as equation 3. Now solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. So here we get 2 divided by a minus b equals to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. So by cross multiplying and after rearranging, we get 9b minus a equals to 4. So from 3 let equation 4, and from 3 put a equals to 5b. So 9a minus 5b equals to 4. So 4a equals to 4, hence a equals to 1. If a equals to 1, then from 3 b equals to 9b minus 5b, so 4b, that is b equals to 1, so a equals to 5. So for infinite solution, a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. Now for second part, first equation is 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0, and second equation is 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y minus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. Equation first and equation second. For no solution, as we know that for no solution, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. So 3 divided by 2k minus 1 equals to 1 divided by k minus 1 equals to minus 1 divided by minus of 2k plus 1 not equals to minus 1 divided by minus of 2k plus 1. So from these two, by cross multiplying we get 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1, so k equals to plus 2. So if we put k equals to plus 2, then we get c1 upon c2 as 1 by 5, which is not equals to a1 upon a2 or b1 upon b2. Here b1 upon b2. So k equals to 2 is the right answer for